After you have installed Zoom on PC or laptop, you can easily join a meeting. If you need to see how to install Zoom on the computer, check the description. If you wish to enter into a meeting, you will need to have the ID of the meeting and also, if needed, a password. Find this info from the host. For you to join a meeting, you need to click the big blue button, Join a meeting. Write the ID of the meeting. You can also select what join option you wish from this list. Zoom can remember your name and also not connect audio and video on entry. Now click on Join. If the meeting has a password, it will appear this pop-up. Write the password and tap OK. If the meeting has not started yet, you will get a screen with a message saying "Waiting for host." Please wait until the host starts the meeting. You cannot do anything. If the meeting is starting and you are the first time on Zoom, it will ask you to agree to the terms of service. Click I agree. You can join a meeting with audio or without. Click Join with computer audio to be able to talk in the meeting. Also note that if this is the first time on Zoom, you might want to click Test speakers and microphone. Just to be safe, it is working. Click Join with computer audio to be able to talk in the meeting. On the bottom right, you have the option to join with audio and video on the meeting. In the center, you have the option to invite persons, see participants, and also share screen if this is allowed by host. Also, in the right part, you have the button to leave the meeting. Now, you have joined a meeting. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.